Alright, got this old refrigerator here. Nothing better to do with it. It's getting replaced. I got this black powder cannon here loaded up with about 2 ounces of black powder. We'll see what happens when I put it in the fridge. Okay.
Oh no. No. This is not gonna go well. This isn't gonna go well. Just shut the lid. Oh, it missed it.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Shut it when you... Oh, 1 minute of air pull.
Okay.
Plug Sissy's ears.
Oh my God! Let me see that camera. Is it on? That did a little bit more than I expected. Hopefully the roof to the garage is still okay. Let's go take a look.
Watch it blow it up.
Holy shit. It blew the whole fridge apart. Oh my God. Oh my God. The door is on the garage now. Kids, don't try this at home.